Hey everyone, it's your girl Cosmic's Wonderland, and today on my YouTube channel I bought a new wig. We're gonna delve into that. And I did another Valentine's Day makeup look, so if you would like to see how I created this awesome makeup look and cut the bangs to my own wig, then stay tuned because here we go. I'm using saffron. Okay, you guys, so for everyone on my YouTube channel watching this right now, are you blown away by the shimmer? Like, I'm shooketh, okay? Thanks to, oh my gosh, how do I say your username? Persian's World, is that right? Thanks to a lovely lady on my live stream giving me the tip of wetting my makeup brush because it wasn't pigmented and I was getting frustrated. Look at this. Do you see that? Oh my god, I'm shooketh. I'm shook to the core right now. This is amazing. I'm a makeup artist. How did I not know this? Yes, Persian's World. Thank you so much. On tagged. Oh my god, YouTube. I'm literally shook. I have my makeup completely done. Eyeliner, eyelashes, mascara, all that jazz. Got my hair pulled in a ponytail. And now what I'm gonna do is hairspray the ponytail part, wrap it up, and put it inside of my wig cap. I have something really excited to tell you guys, and it is, I bought another wig. So I haven't really talked, and this is the wig cap. I haven't really talked about my wigs, but you guys see them very often. And I just want to make it clear that except for the lace front wig, because it is not a part of this group, however, besides the long blonde lace front wig, all of my wigs, I buy them off Amazon. They are so affordable, and they are called Alacos wigs, A-L-A-C-O-S. I love this brand. They are synthetic wigs that look real. It says you can heat them up to 180 degrees, I believe. Now, are you ready for the big reveal? I got this one off Amazon for $10. $10.05. And it came in 2 days. It arrived. It is my Valentine's themed brand new Alacos wig. Ah, so excited. This is a big moment. As you can see, it is like a bubblegum pink and it fades into a white. You guys ready? It does have bangs. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I haven't been able to quit talking about this for 3 days, ever since I bought it. It's all my husband hears. My wig, my new wig. I can't wait to wear my new wig. I wonder if my new wig's here. Na 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 na. Over and over again, he's like, just put it on your head and shut up. He's like, I love you, but I don't want to hear it anymore. So this is the wig here. She is a lovely, lovely lady. But like I said, this was only 10 bucks. $10. It's my first wig that has bangs, so I can't wait to put this on. Now, normally what I'll do when I get a wig is I will cut off these clasps. There are clasps in the wig to help you adjust it. But I don't like these clasps because I feel like it tugs on the underneath part of my hair, and I don't like the sensation of it pulling on my hair. I don't like it at all. It actually like ticks me off. So what I do is I find where I want the adjuster straps to go, and I do that by wearing it once with the clips the way they are. Then once I know what size to put it on myself as, then the next day I will cut these little clips off. I just use kitchen scissors and I clip right here and it just pops off. And I'll take my E6000 glue and I will glue it into place wherever it needed to be. And then I use like a chip clip or a paper clip, and I'll just hold it in place, and then tomorrow when I go to wear it, I don't have to worry about that pulling, you know? It's totally taken care of. But today, look at this. This is a beautiful, beautiful wig for $10. I'm gonna go ahead, put my hair up into the wig cap, and we're gonna put this bad boy on. So I'll be right back. Okay, YouTube, please don't copyright me. The bangs are too long. What am I gonna do with these bangs? Hold on, let me come up with an idea. Do I really need to cut these bangs? Oh, I didn't expect to have to do that. Alright, I'm gonna have to trim these. I did cut a lot of the length off using these scissors. I'm now gonna put this on and use this leg razor to finish fixing the bangs, I guess you could say. But anyways, let's do this. It looks crazy right now. This looks absolutely crazy right now. Hold on. This is coming together. Dude, these wigs do shed a lot, just so you guys are aware. Don't be surprised if you buy from them and you're like, it's shedding a lot. Like, yeah, they do. But they shed in a way that it doesn't look extremely weird, I guess. Like, you don't have like holes in your tracks or anything. Yes, this is turning out good. It's layering very nicely. This is how I do it. Bear with me. I'm a perfectionist, so this is very time-consuming for me. But worth it in the end. Once it's done, you're gonna be like, damn, she did such a good job. I'm gonna be like, I know. I'm scared. I'm gonna put a hair barrette in right here. Cute! Just to keep the bangs separated from the rest of the hair. This is turning out so good, you guys. I'm cutting this and, you know, doing all this all by myself. And I'm covered in wig hair everywhere. The bangs were down to my nose. Like, I'm not trying to be Sia. I am very happy with this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay fantabulous. And as always, I will stay fantabulous for you guys. Bye!